Hello! Now this looks like an unboxing video, and it was going to be an unboxing video, and I did film the unboxing of this motherboard, but that is not what this video is about. Right, so this motherboard is an ROG Strix X650E gaming Wi-Fi board, as you can see there. I hadn't seen one before, and a customer dropped all these parts into me to assemble their PC for them, so I thought I'd just film the unboxing. And I'll show it to you now, the little snippets as we're going along. And we've got a snippet of me cutting that seal there. So here's me cutting that seal. Okay, so then I open the board up, open the box up, and I take the board out. Now I've already done it for this video. I'll tell you why. Because I struggle quite a lot to get it out of the anti-static bag that it came in, which is this one here. And this is not this is not a normal bag. This is not an anti-static bag that you would get with a brand new ASUS motherboard product. It's actually really tight to fit on that board because the board is quite big. So the other thing is that the cover for the processor socket was missing, and you can see that now when I open it up and have a look. First time opening it, you'll see that the CPU cover is missing. That doesn't happen on a new motherboard. It's a massive giveaway. I just kept going with the unboxing video and kept on going until things got so overwhelmingly dodgy that I just stopped. So missing the CPU cover is a massive giveaway, right? Now, also there was no plastic cover on that IO shield there, IO shroud there, because there's a screen in there, there's a lights in there, so that should have a plastic bit on it, because the back plate has got a plastic bit. There's the little pull tab for it there, so the back plate's got a plastic thing on it, and that's got a plastic thing on it there, but that doesn't. So that is yeah, that's problematic, right? And it gets worse, because once I got in here and opened it all up, this bits on here are obviously a little bit sort of dinged and bent, but the actual internal contents, as I unbox it, are fine. Everything's still wrapped up. So when you look under here, you notice that the motherboard manual is actually a little bit creased, but all the other bits and bobs are still there. But only when you lift this up, there's nothing there. Right, so what is the point of this video? Right, the point of this video is to stress that when you buy a product, you need to check the product before you do anything else with it. This motherboard has been returned to ASUS, and ASUS have simply repackaged it and sold it out, and it's been sold as new when it wasn't new. And they even put the box seal on. So the unboxing was a complete waste of time, and not only that, it exposed a really annoying thing that you should watch out for. Watch out for repackaged stuff, especially from ASUS, because this is an ASUS board. ASUS sold it, and then my customer purchased it, and it's clearly been repackaged and sold out again. So just keep an eye on that. If you've had any experience of that, stick it in the comments. I'm a bit furious, but on the plus side, they are going to return it, obviously, but also they're going to buy a newer board rather than this one, because it's actually, it turns out, because I haven't got experience with every single motherboard. Once my suspicions have been aroused, I sort of searched for it, and this is actually quite an old board. It's a 6 series, so they're going to get a newer board. So it's all worked out in the end, but just as a warning, watch out for repackaged stuff, right? Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. Liking and subscribing is appreciated, and yeah, watch out when you unbox stuff to make sure that it is actually new.